welcome to my channel. So if you are new to this channel, you're most definitely welcome, and if you are originally, thank you so much for tuning in. Today's tutorial is a very interesting one. I'm going to share with you guys how to achieve a bridesmaid inspired makeup look. So everything that I use in this video is actually affordable. So if you want to see how I got this flawless, neat, skin-like makeup look, please keep on watching, and I'll see you guys at the end of this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you even waiting for? Click on that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So guys, I decided to do my hair off camera, and that's because I already have a detailed tutorial on how to achieve the ponytail extension. I'm going to leave the link to the video down in the description box, so go check it out so you can see how to get a ponytail extension. I promise you guys the video is extremely detailed, so I didn't want to go over it again because I already have a detailed tutorial on that. So go watch it when you're done with this video. So with all that being said, let's just get right into why we are here. So the first thing I'm going to do is to prime my face. I'm going in with the Zaron face primer. You guys know I use this primer for almost all my videos. So I'm going to put a little bit of palm. I'm going in with the Afterglow Skin Illuminator. So I'm just going to place this at the highest point of my face so we can get this very soft glow from within. On the bridge of my nose here. Get that glow from within, okay? We need our skin popping from within. Super Stay foundation in the shade Coconuts. I need this to really glow. So this foundation is a medium to full coverage foundation, and I think that's the kind of foundation you want to go for. I'm going in with my beauty blender just to press that into the skin and remove any excess oil. Guys, it's concealer. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm going to start off with this one first. So guys, I'm going to let this sit on my face for a while. Do not blend your concealer immediately. Just let it sit for a while. Let's say 5 seconds or minutes, depends on you. So guys, I'm going in with the Zaron concealer in the shade Deep. And I'm going to put down here. Just to make that cheekbone up. So I'm going to do the same thing. As I'm going to sculpt my face with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa. So guys, I'm going to set my face with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set my face. Contour my face, I'm going in with the Sleek Contour palette, and we have here the shade Medium. I'm going in with the Zaran concealer just to prep my lid. So we can get started. So guys, I'm going to set this with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Guys, I'm going to start with the Jacqueline Hill palette, the Morphe times Jacqueline Hill palette. And I'm going in with this shade right here, this orange looking shade. I'm going to start off with this one. I'm going to use this as my transition shade. This color because it is soft and it kind of suits the theme of what we're doing, which is the bridesmaid inspired makeup look. So we really need makeup to be as soft as possible. This color to warm up that orange that I used. I really want a soft contour to this face, because taking a darker color will take it away from what we're trying to achieve. Now I'm going in with the Zaran eyeshadow palette. I'm going to make use of this shade, this orange shade right here, with the concealer, the Zaran concealer, to carve out my crease. I'm not really a pro in this, but we're just gonna try. So I'm going back with the Jacqueline Hill palette just to warm up whatever hash lines we have. So I'm going in with that color. Going back with this orange color. Now guys, I'm going to go in with the other one to smoke my eyes. I'm going in with this shade right here. Dust off the excess powder. Now we're done. To warm up my face, I'm going in with the same eyeshadow palette, the same Zaron palette. I'm going to go in with the blush shade, this color right here. I'm going to use this to warm up my face. I'm going in with the Zaron mattifying powder to set my entire face. I'm going with a fluffy brush to blend everything nicely, so we don't have any harsh lines. I'm going to set my face now with the Zaron setting spray. With this waterline pencil just to darken my waterline. Clean my lips now so that I can get rid of the foundation. Now I'm going to line my lips with this brown pencil here. I'm going in with a clear lip gloss, just a regular lip gloss. Just going to put it over. I'm going in back with the Jacqueline Hill palette to smoke my under eye. This one. Now guys, to highlight the inner color of my eyes, I'm going to make use of this tiny brush and going with the same color that I used here. So I had to spray on my brush. I used the setting spray on this brush so I can able to pick the color. To highlight my face, and I'm going in with the LA Girl highlighter to add some glow. We've come to the end of this tutorial. If you liked it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you guys in my next tutorial. Until then.